Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a transparent circle in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your iCloud Keynote. Then create your presentation. Now you can see here are my presentation. Now I insert a transparent circle. At first I have to select shape option, then choose basic, then find circle. Now simply just press it. Now resize this circle shape and select, then go to show or hide format style option. Now change this circle shape color. Now you can see here are opacity option. Now I decrease this opacity to drag on your mouse left button. Now click outside of this shape. Now you can see I insert a transparent circle in Apple Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.